Welcome to 16 Herbert Street in Wandal. This incredible family home sits on over a quarter of an acre. Let's go inside and take a quick look around. I'm sure you're going to love the renovation that's been done on this home just as much as I do. There's 2 brand new bathrooms and this kitchen features these great shaker doors, and I love the splashback tile. It's a real feature in my view. How great is this second living space at the back of the house? But the piece de resistance has to be this amazing outdoor entertaining space that overlooks the generous backyard, the triple bay shed with side awnings.